Hi students, welcome to next session. In previous session, up to question number 3 completed. We'll continue next problem. Question number 4. The value of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus and so on up to infinity. So value of this is how much we need find. So let us take a given function is x. Let x equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus and so on up to infinity. Already we know that value of x is 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by and so on up to infinity. So in place of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus up to infinity, that value we need to consider as x because already we taken as x. So x equal to 2 plus 1 by x. So take LCM, x square equal to 2x plus 1 will be seen like this. Left side x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x, add and subtract 1 plus 1 and subtract 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Why? Because it is converted into perfect square. So x minus 1 whole square equal to 2 we can write. Minus 2 will send right side. Square root on both side. X minus 1 equal to root 2. Plus or minus root 2 will come actually. X equal to plus or minus root 2 comma, sorry, minus 1 send that side, plus 1. Which value we need to take? This everything is positive value. That's what we need to only consider value is positive. Therefore, x equal to 1 plus root 2 or otherwise root 2 plus 1 is the value. So option B is correct one. Option B is correct one. And next question. A, B, C are three distinct positive real numbers. Here A, B, C all are positive real numbers. 3. Then number of real roots of ax square plus 2b modulus x minus c equal to 0. For these equations, how many real roots will consist whenever a, b, c are the positive real numbers? So if we want to get the roots, first solution, roots in the sense solution. We know quadratic equations solution how to find it. Modulus x equal to minus b plus or minus b plus or minus, okay, we'll write directly. In the place of b, what will be there? 2b is there. Minus 2b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. So 4b square minus 4a c value minus c by 2a minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus 2b plus or minus root over 4 you can take common, b square minus or minus plus ac divided by 2a. Root 4 value 2. From both sides take 2 common. 2 bracket of minus b plus or minus root 4 value 2 already we take out. So b square plus ac divided by 2a. 2 cancel. So here minus b plus or minus root b square plus ac by a. But they said ABC are the positive real numbers. ABC are the positive real numbers they said. If you want to get the positive real numbers, this it should be take only plus. Only plus. If you take minus value while adding that negative value will get. That's what mod x value we need to take the positive minus b plus root over b square plus ac by a. While removing the modulus, value will get plus or minus 2 values. This is positive number only. Generally, mod x equal to a. Then what is x? Plus or minus a. Based on that reason, how many real solutions will get for this? 2 solutions we get. The option C is correct one. You didn't ask the solution, just asking how many real solutions. So option C is correct one. And the next question, question number 6th. Number of real solutions of the equation. Equation is root over x minus 1 by x plus root over 1 minus 1 by x is equal to x is what? Value is asking. So it is, take it as equation 1. It is like root a plus root b form is there. To convert the real numbers, you should rationalize the numerator. Rationalize the numerator. So rationalize numerator. Rationalization means if it is plus is there with minus, divide and multiply. So root over x minus 1 by x plus root over 1 minus 1 by x into, while doing the rationalize with opposite sign, root over x minus 1 by x minus root over 1 minus 1 by x whole divided by root over x minus 1 by x minus root over 1 minus 1 by x is equal to x. Now numerator in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, means root will be cancelled off, x minus 1 by x, a square minus b square 1 minus 1 by x whole divided by root over x minus 1 by x minus root over 1 minus 1 by x is equal to x. Simplify numerator. Minus 1 by x plus 1 by x. Minus into minus plus. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. X minus 1 by, this x value sent here. X minus 1 by x equal to, this will be sent here. Root over x minus 1 by x minus root over 1 minus 1 by x. So this should be right. X by x is 1 minus 1 by x is equal to root over x minus 1 by x minus root over 1 minus 1 by x. Take equation number 2. Add 1 and 2. 1 and 2, if you observe these two, add it one side and another side you can add it. Here root x minus 1 by x plus root 1 minus 1 by x plus this term. This term and 1 minus 1 by x, both terms be cancelled. So 2 into root over x minus 1 by x is equal to, add these two values, x minus 1, sorry, plus 1 minus 1 by x. Now here r values, right side values will be sent left side. 1 by x minus x plus 2 root over x minus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 0. So plus 1 if you send here, it is minus 1. Now it is, if you want to convert this, this you can write 1 by root x whole square. This you can write root x whole square without changing the value plus 2. instead of right side value, better send left side value, then it is converted into the perfect square. Left side value send right side ma. X minus 1 by x, that is one value, minus 2 root over x minus 1 by x plus 1 is equal to 0. If we want to convert the perfect square, this we can write in the form of square. So square root of x minus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into root over x minus 1 by x into 1 we can write without changing that, plus 1 equal to 0. Now it is in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square form is there. A minus b whole square root over x minus 1 by x a minus b whole square equal to 0. This we can write root over x minus 1 by x minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 value send right side, root x minus 1 by x equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, left side root will be cancelled off, x minus 1 by x equal to 1. Take LCM, x square minus 1 equal to x. X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Solution find out, x equal to minus b, 1 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 a c value minus 1 by 2a, 2 into 1. So 1 plus or minus root over minus or minus plus 4 plus 1 5, root 5 by 2. So he is asking number of real solutions he is asking. So while taking the plus also we can get positive number only. If we take minus also it will be real solution only. So totally 2 solutions we can get. That is option B is correct one. Means 2 or B. Try with one. The number of distinct real solutions of the equation x square plus x by x minus 1 whole square is equal to 8. For this equation, number of distinct real solution is asking. So it is in the form a square plus b square. A is x, b value is x by x minus 1. A square plus b square. We can write a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So a plus b whole square minus 2ab is equal to 8. So take the LCM, x square minus x plus x cancel, x square by x minus 1 whole square minus 2x square by x minus 1 minus 8 equal to 0. So if it is only single variable, we can say it is quadratic equation, we can factorize that. So that's what, to make it, this function is some new variable. Let x square by x minus 1 equal to some y or p, whatever it may be. So substitute this value here, y square minus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Y square, factor you can do it, y square minus 4y plus 2y. While adding this minus 2y you will get, while multiplying this extreme product minus 8 we can get, minus 8 equal to 0. Y take common, y into y minus 4, 2 take common, y minus 4 is equal to 0. Factors are y plus 2 into y minus 4 equal to 0. Y values either minus 2 or 4. If y value minus 2, you can substitute here. If y equal to minus 2, take it, it is 1 from 1. From 1, x square by x minus 1 equal to minus 2. Send right side, x square equal to minus 2x plus 2. Here x square plus 2x, only one value send here, remaining one keep like that only. Here minus 2x will be sent here, x square plus 2x equal to 2. To make it perfect square, 1 is required. Both sides add 1. X square plus 2x plus 1 equal to, here also 2 plus 1, 3. Now it is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 3. X plus 1 equal to plus or minus root 3. X equal to plus or minus root 3 minus 1. X value is 2 we got here. Next, if y equal to 4 from 1, x square divided by x minus 1 equal to 4. So x square equal to 4x minus 4. These two values send left side. X square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. It is like a square minus 2ab plus b square form. X minus 2 whole square equal to 0. Then x minus 2 equal to 0. X value 2. Here already 2 solutions we got. Here one more thing. Total number of real solutions is 3. So option C is correct one. Option C is correct one. Next problem. 8th one. If x plus 1 is factor of x power 4 plus p minus 3 into x cube minus 3p minus 5 into x square plus 2p minus 9 into x plus 6. Which of the following is not other factor? So first they said x plus 1 is factor of this equation. Whenever x plus 1 is factor means f of minus 1. Otherwise x equal to minus 1 is solution of this equation. X equal to minus 1 is solution of above equation. In the polynomial concept we studied, whenever x minus k is factor of this, x equal to k is solution of that. So x equal to minus 1 substitute here, that means equal to 0. Minus 1 whole power 4 is 1 plus p minus 3 into minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 minus 3p minus 5 into x square, x value minus 1, minus 1 whole square is 1 only plus 2p minus 9 into x value is minus 1 plus 6 equal to 0. Solution means it will become 0. So 1 minus p plus 3 minus 3p plus 5. Multiply with minus 1. Next minus 1 into this one. Minus 2p plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 0. So first p values minus p minus 3p minus 4p minus 2p minus 6p. Real values 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 6 24 is equal to 0. 6p equal to 24 we can write. Then p value 4. P value 4 substitute in the given equation. So x power 4 in the given equation substitute plus 4 minus 3 is 1 x cube. P value 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 minus 5 minus 7x square plus p value is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 minus 9 is minus 1, so minus x plus 6 equal to 0. That equation we got after x plus 1 is the factor. Now question is which one is not other factor they said. While taking the option we come to know that directly. One is x minus 1, another one is x minus 2, another one is x plus 3, last one is none of this. they given like this. If x value 1, because x minus 1 is the factor, x equal to 1 new, x equal to 1 substitute here, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 7 is minus 5, minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6, minus 6 plus 6 is the factor, this won't come. They said which is not, like that verify these all 4 options, these 3 will be get the factor of this one, so last option none of this, so that will get it. So option D is correct one. Option D or option 4, whatever it may be. Next question, question number 9. When an unknown polynomial is divided by x minus 1 and x minus 2, we obtain the remainder 2 and 1 respectively. Then the remainder resulting from the division of this polynomial. First required polynomial p of x is factors are x minus 1, x minus 2 is given. So remaining, if you want to get these two products quadratic equation, remaining is linear function, that we don't know. Linear function you can take ax plus b, that is equation 1. But they given when it is divided by x minus 1, remainder is 2, means p of 1 remainder is 2. When divided by 2, remainder is 1, that they given. Then what is the resulting of that remaining factor? So p of 1 equal to 2. In p of x, wherever x is there, 1 substitute. So p of 1 equal to, in place of x, 1 substitute. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, plus a into 1 plus b is equal to, what is p of 1 value? 2. So 0 into anything is 0, a plus b equal to 2, take it as equation number 2. Next p of 2 value 1 is given, so in the place of x substitute 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0, this complete term is 2, 2a plus b is equal to 1 is given, so 2a plus b equal to 1, equation number 3. Solving 2 and 3, equation 2 and 3, 2 value, equation 2 is a plus b is 2, third equation 2a plus b equal to 1, subtract these two, minus minus minus, b cancelled, a minus 2a is minus a, 2 minus 1 is 1, a value minus 1. You can substitute a value either 2 or 3 from 2. From second equation, minus 1 plus b equal to 2, minus 1 value send right side, plus b equal to 1 plus 2, 3. A and b values we got. Required polynomial factor is ax plus b is said, minus x plus 3 means 3 minus 6, remaining factor 3 minus x, option A will be there. So next question, question number 10. The value of k for which a plus 2b is factor. To a plus 2b is factor in the sense a plus 2b equal to 0, a value minus 2b. Then given equation is a power 4 plus 32b power 4 plus a cube into b into k plus 3 is equal to 0. Then what is the value of k is asking. So wherever a is there, substitute minus 2b in this equation. Minus 2b whole power 4, minus 2 whole power 4 is 16, b power 4 plus 32 b power 4 minus 2b whole cube is minus only, minus into plus minus will come, 2 cube is 8, b cube into b power 4 into k plus 3 is equal to 0. So 16 plus 32, is 48 b power 4 minus 8 b power 4 k minus 8 3 24 b power 4 is equal to 0. 48 b power 4 20 minus 24 b power 4, 24 b power 4 minus 8 b power 4 k is equal to 0. 8 b power 4 we can take common, remaining is here 3 minus k is equal to 0. This value never be 0. Why? Because if it is 0, b value will become 0. So no meaning of that. That's what 8 b power 4 is not equal to 0. So obviously this value will become 0. K value 3. So he is asking what is value of k. K value 3. Option A is correct one. So next question. If roots of an equation x power n minus 1 equal to 0 or for this function roots are 1, a square and so on, 1, a1, a2 and so on, a n minus 1 respectively, then the value of 1 minus a1 into 1 minus a2 into and so on 1 minus a n minus 1 equal to how much is asking. So generally according to the question they said for this equation these are the roots. For example, any quadratic equation 1, 2, 3 are roots means x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 like that. Now based on that x minus 1, x minus a1, x minus a2 and so on x minus an minus 1 are the roots of this one. So x power n minus 1 equal to x minus 1, x minus a1, x minus a2 and so on x minus an minus 1 roots of that one. So x minus 1 value is in left side, x power n minus 1 by x minus 1 equal to x minus a1, x minus a2 and so on x minus an minus 1. So in the left side like x power n minus a power n numerator, that we can write 1 power n value 1 only. So x power n minus a power n we can write x minus a into a value is 1 here, x minus a into 1 plus x square plus and so on plus x power n minus 1. While simplifying this again we can get x power n minus 1 only divided by x minus 1 equal to right side value x minus a1, x minus a2 and so on x minus an minus 1. Now x minus 1 cancelled, put x value, put x equal to 1 both side, substitute x value 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on 1 is equal to 1 minus a1, 1 minus a2 and so on 1 minus an minus 1. These are the n terms will be there, 1 plus sum of n terms is n only is equal to same thing 1 minus a1, 1 minus a2 and so on 1 minus an minus 1 is asking value of this, that value is n. So option A is correct one. Next question number 12. If x equal to 2 plus 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3 then the value of x cube minus 6x square plus 6x is equal to how much is asking. So here two values and left side, x minus 2 equal to 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3. So here power 1 by 3 is there, to cancel off that 1 by 3, cube on both sides, cubing on both sides. X minus 2 whole cube is equal to 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3 whole cube. A minus b whole cube form, a cube minus b cube, 2 cube is 8, minus 3a square b, 3 into 2 6 x square plus 3a b square plus 3a b square, b square value 4, 4 3 is 12x is equal to, right side value like a plus b whole cube form, a cube 2 power 2 by 3 whole cube, cube cancel to 2 square 4 plus b cube 2 power 1 by 3 whole cube, 3 cancel 2 power 1 value is 2 plus 3ab of 3ab of a plus b, 3ab of a plus b, 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3. Now for left side we applied a minus b whole cube, right side a plus b whole cube formula we applied. So now this you can simplify, x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8 equal to 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 into, here base is same, power we should add it, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, so 3 by 3 will get, that is 1 only, into 2 power 2 by 3 plus 2 power 1 by 3, we can write x minus 2 value from 1. So in place of that we return x minus 2. Now x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8 equal to 3 2, okay, 6, 3 2 is 6, multiply with this plus 6x minus 12, all these values send left side, x cube minus 6x square, 12x minus 6x, 6x, 6 minus 12 is minus 6, minus 6 value send here, so minus 8 plus 6 is minus 2, minus 6 while sending here plus 6, 8 minus 6 is minus 2, minus 2 value send that side, x cube minus 6x square plus 6x is equal to 2, is asking a value of this, x cube minus 6x square plus 6x, that is 2. Option B is correct one. Option B is correct one. And next one, 13th one, the least value of the expression x square minus 2x plus 4y square minus 12y plus 3z square minus 6z plus 14 is, so least value is asking. So x square minus 2x, to convert the perfect square plus 1 is required, adding 1 and subtract 1 will do last, subtract, this is one term, plus 4y square, 4 if you take common, y square, so better keep 4 like that only, that we can write 2y whole square, a square minus 2a b form. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12y. Here b square is required. Add b square value. 3 square is 9. Minus 9 will write right side. Here 3 take common. Z square minus 2z. To convert plus 1 is required. Multiply with 3 plus 3. That minus 3 will write last. 14 plus 1 we added here. Minus 1 plus 9 we added here. Minus 9 plus 3 we added here. Minus 3. Now these are converted into perfect square. X minus 1 whole square. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square form. 2y minus 3 whole square. This is 3 into z minus 1 whole square. This one 9 minus 1 is minus 9 minus 9 minus 10 minus 13. 4 minus 13 is plus 1. If we want to get the least whenever these terms are 0, either x minus 1 whole square is 0, 2y minus 3 whole square is 0, 3 into z minus 1 whole square is 0. Or whenever these are 0, least is 1. Least value is 1. Option A is correct one.